Thanks for tuning in. This your boy DLG doing a take on a Bazooka 12. It's actually kind of the same thing as a Memphis, but it's not. It's Bazooka. You can look them up on eBay. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but that says Bazooka. I'm actually got this one for sale. It's in good shape. We're gonna try to hear it, the plastic bag. Let's see what we got. You know, that's my song.
Hey girl, you deserve. Hey girl, you deserve. Monday, maybe.
Alright, that is the Bazooka 12, single 12 in a box. Y'all please let me know what you think. It's for sale for $95. Let me know. Thanks. Bye.